Hello there! Today, we're going to explore how to create Buy X items, Get items offer in MBC Bundle Products. This bundle allows you to reward your customers with a gift or discount when they purchase a specified number of products at regular prices. Let's begin. To start, click Add Products to choose the items you want to include in your bundle. Change the order of products in a bundle. If you want to give your customers flexibility, you can add mix and match products as well by clicking Mix and Match button. Now, let's configure the discounts. There are two options, percentage and free product. Specify a percentage discount, anywhere from 0 to 100, and simply check the box if you want to offer a free product. Click Next Step. Enter a name, upload an image, and categorize it by collection or tag for easy navigation. Check individual widget settings where you can set up widget title and description, comparing it price expiration period, and more. And there you have it! You've just learned how to create a Buy X Get I bundle in MBC Bundle Products. Thanks for joining us today and happy selling!